Good morning, children. How are you all? So I hope all of you might have been doing fine at home. Is not that right? Okay, so anyways, children, we will see before beginning the class what's the date today. Okay, so children, today's date is 23rd July and 2021. All right, and what's the day today? It is Friday. Okay, and the spelling of Friday is Friday. Friday. Okay, so children, before going to the unit, we will just discuss about the topic about what we will be studying further. Okay, so the topic for today's class is smile. What is a smile? What do you understand by the word smile when I say smile? Okay, so children, smile is something, it's a kind of expression. All right, so whenever you feel happy or you are amazed, okay, or whenever you are pleased or cheerful, then what happens is that you happen to smile, right? You automatically happens to smile. Suppose for example, children, if I bring you a chocolate, okay, if I bring you a chocolate, how will you feel then? You will feel happy, right? Because you love chocolate. So what will happen? By itself you will happen to smile, okay, and because you will be feeling happy. Okay, so this is what we are going to study today. Okay, so with this, children, we will go through our book. Okay, so today we will be studying the unit 3. Okay, since we have completed unit 2, so today we will be beginning with unit 3. All right, unit 3. So children, in this unit 3 there is a poem. Okay, and the title of the poem is A Smile. Okay, a smile, S-M-I-L-E. Okay, so I hope it's very clear to you now, children, that what is a smile. So to sum up, a smile is an expression, okay, that automatically comes out whenever you are pleased or happy. Okay, so with this, children, we will go through the poem. Okay, so you need to take out page number 39. Okay, here if you have your book, children, do look into your book. Okay, so this poem, it consists of 10 lines. Okay, children, so it consists of how many lines? It consists of 10 lines. Okay, so here we begin the poem. In the first line, it is written that a smile is a quite funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you will never find. So children, in the book it's written that a smile is a quite funny thing. So you see, children, the poet here, he feels that, okay, smile is a quite funny thing, and we will see that why it is a funny thing. So to say what's the meaning of funny, it means that something which is very cheerful again, okay, which makes you feel laugh, okay, which brings laughter in you. So that is the meaning of funny. Okay, so what the poet here is saying, that a smile is a quite funny thing. It wrinkles up your face. Okay, so children, what do you understand by the word wrinkle? All right, W-R-I-N-K-L-E-S, wrinkles. So wrinkles means, children, suppose whenever you are smiling, okay, then what happens? There appear certain creases and lines. Okay, that is called wrinkles. So we will write down the meaning of wrinkle. Okay, wrinkles are the lines or creases. The spelling is C-R-E-A-S-E-S, creases, that forms on your skin. Okay, so children, you see the meaning of wrinkle is okay, lines or creases that appears on your face. Okay, so when does a wrinkle appears, children? Whenever you smile. Okay, so suppose if you smile, then sometime it so happens that a dimple appears on some people's face. Okay, or if you grow old, then what happens? You might have seen your grandparents, right? How their face looks like. There are always lines on their faces. Okay, and you know, with the passage of time, when you grow old, then several wrinkles appears on the faces of the people. Okay, so a wrinkle, when does it appears? When you smile or when you laugh. Okay, or a person when he or she becomes aged. Okay, so this is what the poet is saying. We will come back to the poem again. Okay, a smile is a quite funny thing. All right, it wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you will never find. So what the poet he means to say is that whenever you smile, wrinkles appear, but as soon as you stop smiling, okay, what happens is that you will see that the wrinkles are gone. Okay, the lines that appeared on your face, okay, whenever you smile, it used to disappear when you just stop smiling or when you stop laughing. Okay, so then we will proceed further, and then it is said that it's secret hiding place, but far more wonderful it is to see what smile can do. So children, the poet now he is again saying that what is wonderful about, okay, what is wonderful about a smile is that what it can do. All right, so with this we will see what's the meaning of wonderful. All right, and the spelling for wonderful is WONDERFUL. Okay, so children, wonderful means to what is the meaning of wonderful? If I say, okay, wonderful means you know, something very pleasing or delightful. All right, pleasing or delightful. Whenever you find something which is very cheerful, okay, that is called what? Wonderful. Okay, so wonderful means something which is very delightful. All right, DELIGHT, delightful. All right, which is very delightful or pleasing, or which is very charmful, or which is very pretty, or something which you love very much. Okay, so here the meaning of wonderful is, children, delightful or pleasing. All right, so this is what the poet is saying. Now come back to the poem again. He is saying that far more wonderful about it is, all right, what it is now we will see. He is to sum up the poem, at first he is saying that this smile is something which is very funny. Okay, and then he is again saying that smile is something which brings wrinkle on your face. Okay, so now you have also understood the meaning of wrinkles. It means several lines or creases, all right, on your face whenever you smile or whenever you grow old. Okay, then the poet he is again saying that you will never find those lines, okay, or creases whenever you stop smiling or whenever you stop laughing. Okay, and then he is saying that far more interesting, all right, there is something far more interesting about a smile, and what is that? Now we will see. Okay, so here it is written that but far more wonderful it is to see what a smile can do. So now children, when I say smile, so whenever you are happy or whenever you are pleased, you just smile. Okay, but the poet what he is saying is that there is something else, okay, which is very wonderful, all right, which is very wonderful and which is very much you know, interesting about smile. Okay, what a smile can do. So children, what do you think a smile can do? Okay, what do you feel like that a smile can do? If you smile, what can happen? Okay, what can happen if you smile? So we will see that what the poet is saying that can happen, okay, whenever you smile. So here it is written that you smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So with these lines, okay children, what do you understand with this line? When you smile at one, okay, he smiles at you, and with this it makes, it makes one smile makes two. Okay, so here the poet, he is trying to describe, okay, that what a smile can do. All right, what is wonderful about is, you see children, whenever you smile, okay, whenever you smile at someone, even if the person is unknown to you, suppose by looking at someone, okay, you just felt good, and whenever you smile, okay, what happens in return, that person also smiles back at you, is not it? This happens several times. Okay, whenever we see a little kid, okay, the kid is very charming, and he or she is very lovely, then we just feel a kind of adoration towards them, and we happen to smile automatically. Okay, we do not smile intentionally, sometimes we do, but smile is something which naturally comes out whenever we are pleased or we are charmed with someone or something. Okay, so when we smile, what happens is that in return the other person also smiles at us. Okay, and in the last line of the poem, children, here it is written that, and so one smile makes two. All right, so one smile, it makes two. And how does it makes two, you think, children? As I have already told you, whenever you smile at someone, the other person also smile back at you. Okay, so in that way your single smile makes the other person also smile, and combiningly, okay, jointly, it formed two smiles together. Okay, so children, this is all about the poem is. Okay, so what is the moral, or what do we learn from this is that you need to smile, okay, because it divides the smiles. Okay, whenever you show a happy face to someone, children, what happens is that the other person, he also feels happy. Okay, and when you smile, the other person also smiles. So if you smile, okay, if you always keep a smile on your face, what will happen is that a positive environment will be spread all over. All right, so children, this is all about the poem, and we have seen what is the meaning of wrinkle is, and what is the meaning of wonderful is, and all you need to do is that, children, you need to read this poem thoroughly. Okay, and you have to try to find out whatever confusion or difficulty is there. You will just bring it on to me. You can contact me or call me anytime. Okay, so that's all for today, children. We will stop here. Okay, and if there remains any doubt or confusion, we will again discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you, and keep smiling.